Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now let me watch this video for you guys. Let me just play it right there.
In the fading light of memories, we stand at the edge of what used to be. Words unspoken lingering.
Pretty awesome, right? That is gonna be a video totally for free, created in only a few minutes. We have a video, we also have a background music. Because for this video, we're gonna focus on AI video and song generator, unlock creative power with Hailuo AI. Now this is gonna be the website itself, and right now it's currently only available for Chinese. Now there is gonna be a workaround here. Once you're on this website, simply click on right click and then translate to English. Now everything is translated to English. You can create everything here totally for free, even without logging in. So you can have two options. You can create a video right there and then create a sound. First, let's create a video. Now welcome back to the video. So again guys, this is going to be inside the AI itself in video generator. I did a login here and we have so much videos to work with. So this is the video I have from earlier that I created into a perfectly good music video. Now basically, just like any other AI, just input your prompt there. So that will be on my end. That will be from outer space, camera zooming in on Kepler planet. Make sure you click on this one because it helps you improve your prompt. And then simply click on generate video and I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. We have this awesome video for us. Right now it still doesn't have the background music we're looking for. We only have a video to work with. So the first thing you're going to do right now is simply click on download. And with that being said, we have it saved on our PC. However, we're still having the watermark that's going to be a free trial. And let's go back on the dashboard from earlier. Perfect. Now once you're back here, since we're done with the video, click on this button right here to make sure you go on the website to create AI music. I know there are things here for your prompts, but please ignore this part right there, okay? Click this one, I'll see you once inside. Perfect. Welcome back to the video. So this is gonna be the music part of that AI itself. Basically, just need to enter your song title and the lyric. Choose what kind of genre and simply click on generative music. So for this one, if you don't have an idea on how to start, let's utilize ChatGPT. I'll see you inside. Welcome back to the video. Right here we have generate a random song, title and its lyrics. We have this one right there. So let me just open my handy dandy notepad so you can cover everything with a single click. So we have the title. I'm just gonna get one verse just to be safe. I'm gonna paste it right there, and then another one just for verse 1, since we're only tackling this for example. Let's go back on the AI itself. Perfect. Now once we're here, I'm just gonna paste the title like so, and then for this one, for the verse 1, click on that one right there. I think I need to paste it longer, or let me just type in here midnight sun. Easy as that. And now for the second verse, click on enter, have some space, and then there's an option here. If you click on this one, it will like auto expand your lyrics. But for this video, I'm gonna satisfy myself with this one. Now choose what kind of genre to work with. You want popularity, you can select or listen for this sample audio. You have disco, R&B, metal, and the works. I'm gonna go for popularity and set it by default and click on generate music. So welcome back to the video. Right now this is gonna be our creation. You can download it right away with this button right there, but first let's all listen to it.
In the silence of the night, stars are painting dreams in light. Moonbeams dance upon the sea, like a lullaby for you and me.
Now that is a very awesome AI. Take note guys, I did not do anything there, it's all AI there. Now let's go inside with this one, let's combine everything. So we have a video now, we have a background music to work with. So what's next? Let's combine them both together using CapCut. So this is going to be CapCut. You can use any other video editor tools you want, but for me, we're going to utilize CapCut by itself. So with that being said, it's basically a simple method here. First, upload your media, upload file right there. I'm going to upload that one right here. And then, of course, I need to use my very own music. So click on that one, click on the music itself, So we have a preview. Let's have this one as a preview. Let's all listen to it right now.
In the silence of the night, stars are painting dreams in light. Moonbeams dance upon the...
So that's gonna be the basic on how to do this one. Again guys, the limit here would be your imagination, so please have some fun with it. So let me just finish everything up. Cut that one right there. Make sure this is removed to remove the excess. And now to download this video, click on export, click on download, click on export, and that would be downloaded on your computer with no problem at all. Take note guys, we did not spend a dime here or a penny. We did not register or sign up to any account. Everything here is totally free. Let's all watch the video now.
In the silence of the night, stars are painting dreams in light. Moonbeams dance upon...
And that's gonna be it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.